Hi, Trinity. Hi, Cassidy. It's Papa. How are you? I love you. I miss you guys. I got you another book. Can you see me? Okay, you ready? You ready? Oh my gosh, look at all those dinosaurs. Can you see me? Can you see me? Let me go over here. I am yellow. What is that? It looks like a dinosaur, huh? Like a fire hydrant and the sun. They're all yellow. Yellow. Now, now I'm pink. Where is he? Oh, there he is. You see? He's right there. Now I'm pink. Over here. Now I am as black as ink. Where is he? Do you see it? Right here? Oh, there it is. Look. The dinosaur is black. Look at this guy. He's riding his bike. Can you find me in this tree? I'm leafy green and hard to see. Where is he? There he is. You see it? There he is. He's hiding. Look at that big red balloon. What is this? Take a look. I have a trick. I'm red, just like a wall of brick. That means he's got to be in the brick somewhere. Where is he? There he is. You see? I see. We got him. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, hey there. Hi there. Now I'm blue. I'm swimming with a kangaroo. What? The kangaroo's swimming? There he is, you see? Look, he scared the fish. What's the fish doing? He's like, hey, get out of my water. And also, Cassidy, why is there a fish in a swimming pool? Fish don't belong there. Wow, look, he's going to jump off and go swimming. That looks fun. I'm white, too bright, then dark as night. Wow, look, he's so light, he's got to put his glasses on. It's too much. Can you find me way up high? I'm hiding in the cloudy sky. We can see you hiding there. We can see you anywhere. Well, where is he? Oh, there he is. You see? Right there. I'm orange. I'm brown. I'm all over town. What? I don't see him. I don't see. Oh, orange. Right, orange. There's another orange. And then what's the other one? Brown. Where's the brown? That one? There's one more. Do you see him? Over there? Right there. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 dinosaurs on this page. Purple tulips, roses too. Hide me in a place that's new. Where is he? Where's the dinosaur? It's got to be purple, huh? Purple, purple? No, where? Right there? There it is. I see it. You see? It's right there. Hi, I see you. I'm checkered in squares. I'm hiding on stairs. Where's the stairs? There's stairs. See, here's the stairs. They go up to the house. Look, there's a dinosaur. He's hiding right there. And then I'm checkered in squares. There he is. I'm inside a box. I'm gray like the rocks. What? Gray? There he is. There's one. And then there's another one in a box. Where's the box? There it is. You see it? Why is that man holding? He's holding a dinosaur box. From my head to my foot, I'm covered in soot. From my head to my foot, I'm covered in soot. There he is. The rain makes me clean. Hey, look, now I'm green. Whoa, the rain is raining on him. He's like taking a bath. Can you see me in the store? I'm hiding near the yellow door. Here's the yellow door. Where's the dinosaur? Right there. We can see you hiding there. We can see you anywhere. Is there any more hiding? I don't think so. I'm as gold as wheat. I'm a peppermint sweet. Well, this half is in the wheat. And look, this half is peppermint. She's licking his tail. She's squishing him. Look out! Now I'm Violet, a daredevil pilot. Whoa, he's flying an airplane. Then, with a balloon. He's flying with a balloon. I'm off to the moon, but I'll return soon. He's floating away, up to the moon. That's all. End of story. Bye-bye. Papa loves you. Bye-bye.